just heard from me was my single that has just come out, titled Slammin'. It's out now. You can get it at the front of the building, right there. So tired, sorry. Anyway, I will be back, but for right now I'm going to take a quick break. But first of all, I'd just like to say that that song, Slammin', has been playing in different radios, such as a Radio Tennessee and a Radio Diversity News Radio, and also, before I carry on, I'd like to thank, where's Tita Lou Baron? Tita Lou? Thank you for coming tonight! So, I will be back, but I would like to introduce a guest for tonight. She'll be performing a couple more times, but here is Caitlin Grace Dizon. She's 12 years old, same age as me. She also started at the same age as me as singing, 4 years old. She's a singer-songwriter, not a songwriter, a singer-songwriter. And, well, here she is. Come on, I know you're backstage. Come on, there you are. Here you go.